Hi there, welcome to How to Earn Passive Income as a Fashion Entrepreneur. This is Sandra Matteotti from the Fashion Entrepreneur Club. Welcome, welcome. This is video number 1, and in this part of the presentation, we are going to talk about passive income. What is passive income? Before I share this information with you, I just want to read this quick disclaimer. I am not a certified financial planner, advisor. I'm not a certified financial analyst, economist, CPA, accountant, or a lawyer. Okay? I'm just a fashion entrepreneur who has had success with passive income, who's very passionate about passive income, and who's very excited to share this information with you because this is something that anyone can do and that the potential is endless. So I'm just here to share my experiences with you. Hopefully you get tons of value from this training and start applying the things that resonate with you and start experiencing the same results or way better results. So, passive income. When it comes to passive income, there's a lot of different definitions, explanations out there. So I chose these 4 because I thought these were the ones that were the most simple and straight up. So let me share them with you. According to Wikipedia, passive income is money you earn in a way that requires little to no daily effort to maintain. So you really put, little effort towards making this income, okay? That's part of the definition, okay? Passive income is when you continue to get paid after the work is done. So maybe you create a product, or maybe you create a service that is automatic. You create something and you create it once and then you get paid over and over again, okay? Passive income is the money you earn from assets you control. Assets are simply things that other people value. These could be cash, real estate, physical goods, attention, etc. And in this training, I'm going to share with you, the traditional passive income streams, but I'm also going to incorporate the passive income streams you can generate as a fashion entrepreneur, which makes this more exciting and different. Passive income is money earned with minimal activity through a variety of ventures which require little daily effort or upkeep on the individual's part. So again, they're highlighting that you really don't have to put that much work in to be able to generate this income, okay? So I hope this sounds exciting. I'm already excited, and everything starts to sink in. In the upcoming videos, we're gonna share, what you need to do, what is the actual things you need to do to be able to generate this income, the different types of incomes that are out there. How am I doing this myself? So yeah, let's keep going, and I'll see you in the next video.